back to the channel. I've just got a bit of footage here I didn't use from last Saturday when I was out with Bob on the Classic 350s, and this is us coming back from Berwickshire. Basically, we're still in Berwickshire actually, and we're just coming over the Lammermuir Hills towards Lammermuir Hills. And then we're going to stop after Lammermuir Hills. There's a road into one of the estates. What I want to do is try out this DJI drone. I'll just get Bob to sit behind the drone. It's a narrow single track road, so it's quiet. So we'll see how fast it goes. It should do between 20 and 25 miles an hour now. That's the latest upgrade since I last tried it behind the bike. So interesting how it gets on. So you have no sound at the start because I haven't switched on my GoPro. Anyway, but that's a clever little thing. So it is, for 160 quid. If it can follow me at that sort of speed, that'll be great. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, off we go. So it's a bit annoying I never had my GoPro on sooner, and then it dawned on me I hadn't switched it on, so you've no sound here. But that's us doing 20 mile an hour in second gear. Ninja's not labouring at that, it's just putting along quite easy, which is pretty impressive for what it is and what it's cost. And if you imagine that up in the Highlands, a viewpoint somewhere, or any sort of single track road, there's no other cars, and you just want to soak in the scenery, that's another good view, isn't it? Going over a bridge or something, that'll be impressive. But overall, for that speed, that's good. I'm impressed. I would lose it here as I just went a slightly too quick. But yeah, it's good. So I went up to 25, 26 mile an hour, and I think that's when it just stopped following me. So I just went slightly too quick, possibly going down the hill here. So I'm just going to U-turn because there's a load of vehicles coming up the road, probably a shooting party or something, so I don't want them flying at this drone or shooting it down. So I'll go back and Bob here, and you'll see it catches up with me again. You've seen it going backwards there, and you see it picking me up? That's a clever little device, isn't it? It's foam, I'll pull it up here if there's cars coming. Aye. There you go.
I reckon it'd be 22 miles.
Certainly do 20, yeah.
Aye.
If I don't go over 20 and on a trail or that,
Aye.
I think there's a whole shooting match coming up here or something.
It looked like it, I reckon what's happened was they've stopped again. It's a crazy thing though. But if that could do 30 or something, what a difference it would be.
I think that'll
struggling maybe to...
That'll come in the future, like.
Depends on these little props though, whether they can take it.
Yeah. But for 20 mile an hour means on this bike, on the tracks that we've got that I can get away with, I can film myself on old tracks.
That's right.
So that's 20 there. That's the speed you can film it with it. Okay. Right, that's us dropping off Redstone Rig. We'll soon be down into the more fertile area of East Lothian. But that's really cool. So that will do 20 mile an hour. Now, what my next challenge is to work out how to make it see me sitting in my Jeep, even if the Jeep's got the screen up, but obviously the canvas hooked down, because that's what I'd love to be able to do, is get it to follow the Jeep. So I need to work out, probably switching on the app and flying the drone up above me, and then like with the other drones, when you do like a quick shot, you highlight the area, and it either needs to highlight me or the Jeep, but I think it needs to highlight me because I'm moving. It's not a face, because it follows you with the motorbike helmet on. It just outlines you as a moving person. I'm wondering if you don't move enough in a Jeep. Possibly. It's just your head turning. I doubt it'll see your arms and your hand really turning the wheel, you see. Anyway, this bit came a cropper here and a big hole. Keep watching. You see that? You don't let take your precious sports car up these roads, look at the state of them. Anyway. There it was there. Yeah. So, another thing, see when you come off here at East Lothian, in East Lothian off the hills, you come to a cattle grid down here, and it's amazing because the header line just absolutely stops in a total straight line along the fence. If you go into Google Earth, you'll see it. It's bizarre. It's like they've just, let's plant a hill of heather, but it's not obviously what's happening. Anyway, there you go, a wee test. So thanks as always for watching. Leave your comments and likes or whatever, you know, it's always appreciated. It's good to hear from folk. And I'll try out the Jeep with the drone next time I'm out. I'll be out in Remembrance Sunday, which will be tomorrow. So hopefully I'll get somewhere I can go and try that out. Okay then, thanks again, see you soon, bye.